I spilled my f***ing beer one time the entire
How'd you do on the whoops when we left that little...
Oh, dude, it was butter, bro. He's like, dude, this is f***ing smooth.
Yeah, you could like hold a glass of wine.
Yeah.
What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So today's plans were originally we're gonna run up to Tip-Up Town in Houghton Lake on the side-by-sides, check out the side-by-side ice races, but I guess they canceled them due to the ice not being thick enough. So what we're gonna do instead is still ride up there and check out the beer tent. So we got some other guys that we're supposed to be meeting from my hometown, so I'm gonna go get gas and then meet up with them guys, and then the next clip you'll probably see the GoPro footage. We're all gonna be hitting the Powerlines heading up to Houghton Lake. So yeah, we're gonna play it by ear.
That thing's a unit.
You've seen that video of the surfer, he's like, you know, it's like, yeah.
Drop down, snap, ah!
Meredith grade road here. So if we would have took a left there, we would have popped out right by that gas station. We good your way?
Yep.
Follow these.
That's right, they're moving.
pushing in front of me. I could have sent it a little harder. It just sucks when you can't see them. That's why I like having that chase bar, because it puts your brake lights up higher. Way back here. He's back there with Nate.
Yeah. The only thing that sucks about these things and then going on long distance with these guys is whenever you have to piss, they don't have to piss.
I think the other trail was smoother. We'll scoot over. Take a $5, it sounds like. Yeah, snow in it probably. Do what?
Or high in the sand.
Yeah.
I
put money
spilled my beer one time the entire
How'd you
fucking
do on
trip.
the whoops when we left that little...
Oh, dude, it was butter, bro. He's like, dude, this is smooth.
Yeah, you could like pull a glass of wine.
Yeah. I was like, dude, if I had my razor, you would have been wearing your beer, dude.
we were following you.
Yeah.
And we were like, look at him.
Just watch their head, dude.
Yeah.
Like this.
You started kind of fishtailing her back and forth. We're just... You good?
Yep.
They're kind of hard to get in and out of and shit.
Yep.
All right, we're out here on the lake, on Houghton Lake. Machines everywhere. I don't have the ND filter on, so if it's kind of blown out, my bad. But yeah, I figure I get some B-roll of all the machines. Well, not even B-roll, just kind of us walking around bullshitting. But yeah, we're hanging out. What do you think, bud?
I'm thinking it's cold and we need more beer.
Well, we got beer in the machine.
Let's go.
Where'd you get your chains at, dog?
Dude, this is real 28 karat gold, straight from the beer tent.
Infused with LEDs?
No, those are real diamonds, just sparkling
shit.
off the sunlight, bro. Come on, get it to it.
All right, so we made it back. As you can see, X3's in the garage. I got the little buddy heater thing, propane heater. It's like a mini salamander going. If you follow the channel, you know all about it. It's trying to melt some of the snow off. The machine handled good. Pretty happy with the X3. I put probably like 100 miles on it today. I feel like I didn't get a whole lot of footage. The whole plan was to go up, watch the ice races, because we had people that were supposed to be racing in them. The side-by-side snow ice races that they do up at Tip Up Town. There was a truck, I guess, that fell through the lake when they're plowing the track off today, so they canceled them. As you guys seen, I got some footage of us riding up, a couple clips of us out on the lake. I was gonna put the GoPro on the way back, but it was dark, so I mean, all you would pretty much see would just be the lights, tail lights and whips of the side-by-sides in front of us. So I didn't really want to put the GoPro on if you couldn't really see anything. I felt like a lot of that footage would have just been wasted, but yeah, ended up being a lot shorter than I thought. Hopefully next year we can get out, watch the ice races, maybe even race in it. I could put a GoPro on and see what happens there. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, short video, ended up being a lot shorter than I thought. But if you guys enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. Really helps me out, helps the channel out. And it's literally free, costs you guys nothing. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, stay tuned. There's gonna be a ton more riding videos, hopefully a little bit better planned out ones with more footage and stuff. But yeah, until next time guys, I'm out.